welcome to Vintage Variety. Today I'm going to be opening some friend mail from Cindy. I've opened friend mail from her before on my channel. Cindy is a longtime subscriber that I've gotten to know through email, and we've exchanged friend mail a few times. Before I get started opening this friend mail, I'm going to share a couple of videos that Cindy recently sent me. I think that as jewelry collectors, this is something everyone will enjoy. Cindy is very creative and artistic when it comes to ways of storing and displaying her jewelry. In these videos, she shows how she has come up with different ideas for displaying her beautiful pieces in her collection.
Hi Pamela, it's Cindy here. I just wanted to show you this brooch mannequin. I thought you might really enjoy this. You did inspire me with yours, so thank you very much. It's all my flowers and circle brooches pretty much. Got some pretty interesting pieces on there. I think you'd enjoy looking at them. There is the piece that I've showed you before. Oh, and I used my pearls to decorate my lampshades. Here is the piece I just finished today. This was quite challenging. I made this actually from glue. So I did all the branches in glue. I've got all my insect brooches and butterflies and flies and beetles. I love, just crazy jewelry. So there's a pretty little bee. And then I have my lizards climbing up the tree. There's a pretty one. There's some more lizards back there. Lizard. Oh, my fish are back there in the cave pond. There's some little insects, frogs. There's my pride and joy. I love this fish. And then there's another frog, my caterpillar, more lizards, snail, another bee. Anyway, Pamela, I just love watching your videos, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed my tree and my little videos, and look for a package from me. Okay, bye-bye now.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos from Cindy as much as I did. I felt very inspired when I watched them. I was also very flattered that I inspired her for her floral bust. The tree was absolutely beautiful with all of the little critters on it, and the shadow box where she had her Native American jewelry is absolutely gorgeous. I always love hearing from my viewers. I consider all of my viewers to be friends. So anytime any of you would like to email me, if you have videos you would like to share of your jewelry that I could feature on my channel, definitely feel free to do so. My email is in the About section of my channel, and it's also in the description box below this video. Now let's open this friend mail from Cindy to see what kind of wonderful items she has sent me. I have been really anxious to open this. It arrived yesterday, but my grandbaby was here visiting with me, so there was no way that I could open this and record, not with all the noise going on. So this is very nicely wrapped. Pull the tape open. She sent me a beautiful card. Actually, this is the envelope. So I'm going to open this and read it off screen. This is the beautiful card that she sent me, and I'm not going to read it all, but she has also included some items for other members of my family, which is extremely thoughtful. So we're going to get this opened up. and have a look at all of these wonderful things. And anything I'm unsure of, I will certainly email her and find out, because I want to make sure that whoever she sent the items for received the correct items. And everything is in its own little beautiful bag. Look how pretty this is. Isn't this beautiful? So she really went to a lot of trouble to package all of these things. Let's see what we have here. So in the card, it does say that these cloisonne pieces are for my daughter. My daughter does love cloisonne. This is a beautiful red cloisonne scarf clip. Very pretty. I know that my daughter will love that. And how cute is this? This one is a little pill box. And a gorgeous cloisonne cross on a leather chain. Give you guys a really good view of this on the form. I really love the enameling on this. Very pretty. I am sure that my daughter is going to absolutely adore these beautiful pieces. Thank you so much, Cindy. I'm going to put this back in the bag. So when I see my daughter tomorrow, she can open the bag as a surprise. So this one is for me. Is this not gorgeous? And I do collect vintage purses, handbags, and compacts, and that's what this is. This is a vintage compact. One time it would have had some makeup in here, probably a powder puff, and it also has a mirror included in it. And I absolutely love this, and I will treasure it always. You can see that it probably had enameling. This is very old, and some of the enameling has came off. So this is something that at one time or the other someone really loved and treasured, and I am going to love and treasure having it in my collection. Very pretty. I love it. Thank you, Cindy. This is very pretty. I love the way that it looks with the lady's face, and it has like a little necklace at the bottom. In the card from Cindy, she mentioned the Red Hat Society. As she watches my content, she knows that a while back I had went thrifting and I had found a pin or a brooch that was just a red hat. I was with some of my friends, and one of them just absolutely loved it and wanted it, so of course I gifted it to her. Cindy mentioned that in her card that she sent me, that this may be something that I'll want to pass on to that friend. I am definitely going to ask that friend if she would like to have this beautiful brooch. That particular friend of mine, we've been friends for probably about 14 or 15 years, and she is a very courageous woman. She's a breast cancer survivor. So she may just love to wear this brooch. As usual, very, very thoughtful of you, Cindy. Thank you so much. How beautiful is this? Absolutely gorgeous. And this gift she sent for me to give to my daughter-in-law, who just so happens to be a new mother, because she is most likely proud as a peacock. And definitely she is, and I'm sure that she will love having this. In fact, I think this would look quite beautiful on her. That's how this one looks on the form. Cindy, you must be a mind reader because recently my daughter-in-law and my son had pictures taken with the new baby, and she wore a dress that's almost this exact color. So this will look really pretty on her. Again, very, very kind and thoughtful as always. This necklace was sent for my mother. My mother loves Chico's jewelry, and the last friend mail that Cindy sent to me, she had included something for my mother and my daughter. Cindy wrote in the card, "The necklace looks classy and your mother is a very classy lady." And of course, I'm going to have to agree with you on that. My mother's in her 80s, and to us, she is simply a treasure. We are so blessed to have her. So once again, thank you, Cindy. I know that this is going to put a big smile on my mama's face. This is very delicate. Take a minute to get it untangled. So this is for my grandbaby. It says love. Has a heart dangling on it. Very, very cute. Love the little delicate chain on this. Here's a good look at this necklace on the form. I think that the heart charm just makes the necklace. This is absolutely adorable, and I know that my grandbaby is going to love it. This one is a beautiful angel brooch, and she sends this one for me to wear in remembrance of a loved one, and I most certainly will. I love this. It's very beautiful. Definitely be sending her some friend mail back. Such kind and generous gifts. I cannot express how much I appreciate them and how touched I am. I hope you all enjoyed today's content. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.